See, what does semen retention mean is largely taking that energy to your brain, taking it upwards. Instead of having it being released, you're taking it upwards to your head, and which opens up a completely different dimension of creative thought process, right brain activation, so on and so forth.
Yo, what up, YouTube? Welcome to Sin Take, man. My name is Jay Sin, coming back with another one, man. And I wanted y'all to see that clip because, like he said, semen retention is just taking your sexual energy and moving it upward, moving it to your brain. See, this what y'all gotta understand. Your semen creates life, right? So that makes you a creator. Us as men are creators. You know what I'm saying? That's why you see us do some of the most dynamic shit, the craziest shit. Whether you a music artist, whether you a painter, any type of a carpenter, all types of shit. We build shit, we do all types of shit. Create cars, we create vehicles, we create foods, we chefs, we all types of shit, right? So you gotta understand that sexual energy, you are still a creator. That is creative energy as well. So guess what? If you stockpiling that shit and you moving that energy up, because that's what you doing unknowingly sometimes. You hold that energy in and you are using it to create. You are using it to put in areas of your life that you know you've been meaning to work on. So you got to understand how important this is if you are a creator. And most men are. Some people just don't even know it yet. Some men don't even know it yet, but you are a creator. You could just have creative thinking. You know what I'm saying? Not even necessarily you build something, but you just have creative thinking. You have a creative mind. You know what I'm saying? And when you have a creative mind, that can get you out of a lot of problems. You can think your way out of a lot of shit and act on it. You know what I'm saying? But bottom line is it allows you to create. It opens up a section of your brain where you could be at your most creative. So this works in your favor as a creator, as an artist, as a builder, whatever it is that you're trying to do. And even if you're not that, you can still use that energy and put it in other areas like learning shit. You know what I'm saying? Just in all around areas of your life that you need to work on. You still just got that. That is still solid ass energy. You know what I'm saying? That is still solid fuel. But if you're a creator, it takes you to another level because you move that energy up to your brain. And now you at your most creative because your sperm is the number one creation tool that you have as a man. You know what I'm saying? So I want y'all to understand that as well too. That's why I tell y'all that, listen, man, when you use this energy, put it in areas where, listen, man, it might have something, it might be connected to your purpose. You know what I'm saying? If you're a creator, put it there. This is vital to your creation. This is your creation fuel. That's why I tell y'all too, man, if you want to pick up a camera and start a channel, do that shit. You got the energy to do that shit. You want to do music and write music, do it. You got the energy to do that shit, bro. You want to build something and build it. You got the energy to do that shit, bro. You want to invent something, invent it, nigga. You got the energy to do it. You a creator, bro. You got creative energy inside of you. So you got to take advantage of this opportunity, bruh. Because listen, man, when I was just draining myself for energy, nigga, I was going through writer's block. I was forcing work, all of that shit. But when I started holding in my energy, listen, man, my writing shit, it went up 10 notches. That shit was just pouring out of me, man, with ease. I wasn't sitting there having to think and create all this shit and all that other shit, man. Listen, bruh, when you want retention, man, listen, bruh, that's why I said my latest album, The Call, listen, that shit just poured out of me, bruh. I wrote that shit in a month. And I'm a great writer, and I listen, it usually take around 2 to 3 months for me to do a whole album. But this, I wrote that shit in a month. Literally a month. And that was like the best album I did, man. Go get that shit if you ain't got it, man. But real quick, yeah, man, you gotta understand that, bro. This will be your creative fuel, and this gonna take your shit to the next level. You know what I'm saying? And I want y'all to understand this too, man. While you on retention, this shit is putting people on notice that you not to be fucked with. You know, I know a lot of people don't know what it is that you doing right now, and that's okay. You're not supposed to tell people. But if you do, listen, man, at the end of the day, this will put people on notice that you're not to be fucked with, because like I always tell y'all is doing something that most people cannot do. Women cannot do this. They need dick. But women will argue tooth and nail. I could go 3 months, I could go 6 months, blah, blah, blah. I didn't have some women jump on the post when I used to post shit about it, and they'd be like, you stronger than me. You know, and then you had the dudes laughing. They like, damn, bro. You know, somebody even said that they would have started hallucinating by now. You know what I mean? And that's all funny. It's all funny at the end of the day. I don't chastise nobody for having jokes or whatnot, because what I'm doing is for me. You got to understand that. Y'all got to stop taking shit so personal just because people not own what you own. But I still do want you to understand that everybody can't do what you do. So that is putting people on notice that you're not to be fucked with. That's putting people on notice that you are very disciplined. That putting people on notice that you are very focused right now. So make sure you using that creative energy as well. That's going to line that shit up. I know you're not caring about what they think. I'm not caring about what they think either. But it is putting people on notice that you're not to be fucked with. So guess what? That's going to keep them away from you. You know what I'm saying? And that's going to keep you on your grind as well too, man, because people they going to know that they ain't known what you own. You know what I'm saying? And they not trying to be, and that's okay. That's their life. But it's still letting them know that you ain't to be fucked with, and you taking shit very serious right now in your life. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, you got any bullshit, any negative energy, you keep that over there, bro. I'm on another stratosphere right now. Y'all on another stratosphere right now. So y'all got to make sure y'all utilizing all of this. Y'all brain right now, listen, bro, y'all brain right now is probably the best it's been. You can think of all types of shit, all types of creative shit, invent shit, write shit, paint shit, do shit. You know what I'm saying? Write stories, kid books. You starting to think about your business mind. Like, nigga, I ain't never had a business mind, bro. You know what I'm saying? I just thought about the basic shit. Now I'm trying to have a business mind and take shit to another level, try to get these finances up. You gonna start thinking like this too. You know what I'm saying? Whether than work or job, you're going to start thinking about how can I get another stream of revenue? You know, you're going to start thinking about all types of shit that you never even thought of before. And that's because you got that energy now. You got that creative energy. You got that ambitious energy. You got your life force energy, and all of that shit is intertwined and it's working. You know what I mean? It's almost like, right? You ever see them clocks when they do like the inside of those clocks, whether it's a watch or just a big ass clock on a building or something like that, and then you see all of those wheels and the inside and springs and all of that shit. That's y'all brain, right? And now with retaining, that is the oil that you just put on your brain, and now those wheels is turning. Now all of those things, all of those mechanical shits, all of those shits in them engines and all of that shit that's in your watch and all of that shit. Listen, bruh, you retaining your energy, just put oil on that shit. When you was draining yourself, listen, bruh, all you was making that shit do in the inside of your brain, all you was doing was making that shit rusty, nigga. That shit was sitting still or moving slow as hell. Now you got that lubrication. Now you got that shit in your brain that's getting the wheels turning. Now your ass thinking clear, you seeing clear. You know what I mean? Your vision is a lot clearer now. You starting to see your path. It's like that snow that I showed y'all outside, bro. You know what I'm saying? With all of that snow, you can't see the street like that. But listen, a lot of y'all, that was y'all life. Now y'all starting to see the pavement. You starting to see the lines. You starting to see your lane that you need to stay in and go. So all you got to do is go. You know what I mean? Real talk. But yeah, now you a well-oiled machine now. So you gotta think, you gotta utilize and take advantage of this shit, because everybody know you can't be fucked with, and now you got that creative energy where you could create your best work. You can create your best life. You can create your best body. You can create your best everything, bro. The best version of you gonna create with that shit, because you got creative energy in you. So you got to make sure that you're using that. You know what I mean? You using it now, not abusing it. You using that shit. You know what I'm saying? And that's what you got to do, man. And that's the way you got to go while you moving forward on this whole semen retention game. You know what I'm saying? Because this is a gang, like Dante Young say, nigga, this retain gang. And we gang. And listen, man, we gang in this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? With positive energy, with elevating energy. No, not bang, bang, gang, gang. We gang, we retain gang in this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? And we all in this shit together. We all brothers. So we got to elevate together too, all right? And that's my word, man. My name Jason and CNT. Holla at y'all later, man. Peace. First I'ma get on my grind, then second stop wasting my time on shit less important. If ain't about money, I'm going the other direction. And third, I'ma do what I gotta to eat. Fourth, I'ma sew up the streets. Fifth, I'ma never quit dropping this heat. So as long as I'm breathing, you better get used to me. Sixth, I'ma get